My name is Tanvita Skauda. I studied in UKG in Little Unions International Play School. I am here to share my experience. I want to learn into different curriculum activities in LUUPS. Colors taught us important different color. Team day taught us connect to the different team. Festival day taught us, Festival day taught us, Festival day taught us celebrate the diversity of religion. National Festival Day taught us spirit of Mother India. Sports Day taught us how enjoying top traditional in good spirit. Field trip taught us outside life our school. Story time taught us moral value for interesting stories. Thank you.
It's a small token of gratitude, baby. Keep up your bravery, keep up your good work ahead. Can we all hear for this small one?